Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name's Anthony Salazar, but they call me Big Sal. Today we're going to be looking at a Sundance. It's a Heartland product. It's a 262 RB. It's really a nice unit. It's got a nice cap on it, a little protection here with some diamond plate, 2 propane tanks, nice tongue power jack. If we walk around here to the side of the trailer, you've got a great pass-through here, lots of storage. It does have a light, and this is a big pass-through area. It does have magnetic holds, which are nice, and slam latch, which is really nice. This also has a great big, massive, giant, huge awning with outdoor speakers. Really a neat unit. It's on a double axle, so it's going to tow easy. Let's go inside and take a peek. Now this one is a rear bath friction hinge door, a little wider opening, so that's nice. As you hop up in here, the first thing you're going to notice is the gigantic bathroom. So if you're looking for a unit with a big bath, check this thing out. Nice big shower. Look at all the space around the toilet. Places to hang your coats or your towels and stuff. You've got a nice sink with a little bit of counter space in here. Then what's unique about this unit, huge pantry. Look at that. Look at all that storage. Massive, massive storage. That's awesome. And it's got a great layout. So you got a spot for a television, entertainment center. You've got your nice couch that pops into a bed, your dinette that pops into a bed. It's got a 3-burner cooktop, and it's got some great storage in it. There's lots of storage in it. Plus you have that pantry. You got more storage doors here. You got some pull-out drawers here that are nice and big and deep. And then what's a cool thing in this unit, when you come back here to the bedroom, it's got a built-in dresser back here as well. So you've got a place to put all your stuff in here. Check that out, if you can get a good shot at it. I don't know if you got a good shot. Okay. Also, a ton of storage up above as well. You've got storage under the bed as well. And then each side has a nice little nightstand. If you have a CPAP machine, that's great. You got some nice windows in here for a cross breeze. And you've got your own little fan and vent in here too as well. And it's a big open walk around. It's nice. I'm a big guy. I fit in here great. You can actually turn around and change in here. Folks, if you're interested in this Sundance from Heartland or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call. 951-443-8323. Thanks.